The Crowley Commitment Class ConRo vessels are equipped with a quarter ramp that allows for ro-ro loading of wheeled vehicles while moored port side to the pier. The system can be operated from two positions on board the vessel. The primary position is located on C deck aft, which gives the operator a clear view of the quarter ramp and dock, with the ability to secure and unsecure the quarter ramp for sea. The secondary position is located on the tween deck aft, near the quarter ramp, which allows the operator to adjust the quarter ramp and spreader from the ro-ro deck level. This training on the quarter ramp is to familiarize you with the system in auto mode only. With hands-on training in your department head's authorization, you should be competent in performing auto mode deployment operations and responding to alarms. Manual mode is reserved for maintenance operations only. If an unsafe condition is observed by any personnel during the deployment or retrieval of the quarter ramp, the stop work authority given to all employees by Tom Crowley should be invoked and operations not resumed until the unsafe condition is corrected. Under direction of the chief mate, you will be required to complete onboard familiarization. This familiarization will include training of the basic quarter ramp operating skills, understanding, and safety protocols before you safely operate the ramp. Lowering the quarter ramp. Once permission has been received to lower the quarter ramp, the operator will open the cover to start the lowering process. The operator should ensure that there are no obstructions, such as people and mooring lines, in the way of the ramp deployment. The operator should ensure that power is supplied to the ramp control via the white power source light on the top left-hand corner of the cabinet. Ensure the mode selection switch is turned to auto. During auto mode, only the two joysticks will be used. Move the main winch joystick to lower until all the lockings cleatings are indicated free on the touch panel and the indication lamp launch comes on. Keep the main winch joystick to lower until the indication lamp lower to 25 degrees comes on. Keep the main winch to lower until the indication lamp spread to max and lower on dock comes on. Caution! While using both joysticks at the same time, the operator should make sure that the flap does not strike the dock or other objects while extending. Move the main winch joystick to lower and the spread winch joystick to spread until the quarter ramp door is on the dock. Once deployed, a visual check of the quarter ramp and surrounding equipment should be made to ensure that the ramp is ready to work cargo and will be safe for people moving on and off the vessel. Adjusting the buttress pads. Step 1. Ensure the ramp control power at tween deck control panel is energized. An indicator light should be illuminated if energized. If it is not, power must be turned on at the breaker panel in the port storeroom adjacent to the steering gear room. Step 2. Raise the ramp by pressing the raise button until the foot is sufficiently clear from the dock. Step 3. Fold the subpart, part 2, to either remove or install buttress pads. Step 4. Spread subpart by pressing the spread button until buttress blocks are compressed or ramp is fully spread as desired. Step 5. Lower ramp to its original resting position. It should be noted that the ramp can be stowed with the buttress pads in either position. Raising the quarter ramp. Once permission is received to raise and secure the quarter ramp after the completion of cargo, the operator will proceed with the following steps. Note: make sure that the winch wire tension mode is set to on during this operation. This will help to prevent damage to the equipment. Move the main winch joystick to raise and spread winch joystick to spread until the ramp is approximately 1 to 5 meters above the dock. Move the spread winch joystick to fold until the indicator lamps to raise to 25 degrees and fold to vertical come on. Caution! While using both joysticks at the same time, the operator should make sure that the flap does not strike the dock or other objects while extending. Move the main winch joystick to raise until the indication lamp, raised to nearly closed, comes on. Hold the main winch joystick to raise until the indication lamps closing SB and closing PS come on. Continue holding the main winch joystick to raise until all the lockings cleatings are indicated lock on the touch panel and indication lamp closed and cleated comes on. After the quarter ramp is raised and indicators show secured, the operator should go down to the RoRo space and visually confirm that the ramp is, in fact, secured for C and the power to the quarter ramp is switched off. The purpose of this short training video is to familiarize you with quarter ramp operations in auto mode only. With additional hands-on training and with your department head's authorization, you should now be competent in lowering or raising the quarter ramp in auto mode and responding to various alarms. Always refer to either the captain or chief engineer with questions or if unsure.